So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2021 Kia K5 GT, and this thing features a launch control mode, and I wanted to take a moment to showcase just how to enable it. So first step is to put the transmission in drive. Next, locate the drive mode dial on the center console and twist it over to the right until you are in Sport Plus mode. So it'll display center as well as over the nav screen. So toggling to the right, Sport Plus. It'll say traction control is disabled. You're also going to disable the stability control, which you do so by holding down the traction control off button for 3 seconds. So I'm going to do that now. So there you have it. Traction and stability control disabled. Now that I've done that, I'm going to put my foot hard on the brakes, and then I'm going to give it some gas. And around the 2000 RPM range, it will display a launch control active message. Now I'm going to also quickly adjust the launch control RPM with this button over here. Now if I don't do it quick enough, it'll basically back you out of the launch control setting. So I want to describe it before I do it so you can just see me. I'm gonna just adjust it maybe 500 RPM up, and then I'll launch the vehicle. So we're gonna do that now. I'm gonna start giving it some gas. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to do launch control in the 2021 Kia K5 GT. Thanks for watching.